guys, in my previous videos you would have seen me talk about the developments that is happening in the field of AI and the kind of technology revolution that it is enabling. In my last video I spoke about GPT-4 vision, how AI is able to look at an image, understand it and assist users based on its understanding. So similarly in this video we are going to be looking at GPT Whisper. GPT Whisper is a functionality provided by OpenAI wherein it gives the power of listening to the system. So with GPT Whisper, the user can express his problem through audio to the AI. The AI can understand what the user is telling and then assist him based on its understanding. As you can imagine, there are many real-life use cases for this feature. Say, for example, our Wi-Fi is not working, wherein we connect to a call center agent and explain the problem. The agent understands the problem and gives a solution to it. So GPT Whisper can solve this problem in the future. Say, for example, you are learning a new language. You want a language expert to listen to you and give you feedback on the pronunciations. GPT Whisper can be a wonderful companion. So I have built a simple interface to test the capability of GPT Whisper. So here there are two options, record audio and upload audio. So record audio is a live recording of our audio. So we can speak and we can record as it is, or we can upload a pre-recorded audio. We can record an audio and upload it. So here there is a button called as transcribe. So when we click this button, what we'll be able to see is what is happening in the backend, how the GPT Whisper is able to listen to our audio, how it is able to break our audio into simple text and understand it. And based on its understanding, we can then give command like how we are giving in ChatGPT and chat with the AI based on our audio input. So to test this capability, I thought of going back to this Kamal Haasan movie of Vettayadu Vilayadu. So those who have seen this movie will know that Kamal Haasan will be using this device to keep talking to himself. So whatever thoughts that is there in his mind, he keeps talking to himself. So he'll be solving a murder case where whenever he's getting a clue, he'll be able to talk to himself and record his thoughts, and those recordings will help him solve the case. So what I was thinking was, what if GPT Whisper was available at that time, and how GPT Whisper would have helped Kamal Haasan to solve this case even faster. What we are going to do is we are going to replay the scene where Kamal Haasan talks to his device. So this time the difference is, instead of talking to the device, he'll be talking to GPT Whisper, and let us see how GPT Whisper is able to listen to Kamal Haasan clearly and write his thoughts as words. So this is the scene that I'm playing. And here we go. So I have recorded it and you can see the transcript. ரெண்டு கொலையும் ஒரே ஆள் செஞ்ச மாதிரி தான் தெரியுது. So it has got the first sentence right. ஆனால் தடயங்கள், it has got the next two right. வேறு படுது is the correct word, but it is taken as வேறு பிடித்தும், and the modus operandi differs, for example. So it has got almost 99% of the text right. So instead of talking to the audio recorder and playing the audio again and again, if he had talked to GPT Whisper, it would have been able to give him the text version of his thoughts. So he can save it in his notes, or he can email it to himself for his further case study, and maybe he would have found the killers a little earlier. So this was just a fun experiment, but look at the use cases. For example, you are a student and you are sitting in the middle of a lecture. You can probably open GPT Whisper, wherein the GPT can actually take notes for you. Or you are an employee who is stuck in a lot of Zoom meetings. You can probably turn GPT Whisper, which can actually take the minutes of the meeting for you, which you can catch up later on and stay ahead on those meetings. So if you are a business owner and you want to explore how AI can help you in your business operations, you can contact me on LinkedIn and we can chat about it. Thank you.